Hello, hello. And today is Back to Basic Monday, card making for beginners. So I did promise you that I would be bringing some Crafter's Companion embossing boards. I've just got a few examples of what I've actually made with the embossing boards. So this cute little clutch bag, and I've made the handle to go on it as well. So that's that one, this cute little one, and then some embellishments as well, tags, all bits and pieces from these lovely embossing boards. Now I've had these for quite some time. So Back to Basics is where I visit items that we've perhaps got in our stash or that we picked up along the way. I have lost my pink embossing tool, but I've got something like this, and I've got some candle wax as well. So now this one is a little box like this. And you can actually, instead of putting the hearts, you can put a butterfly or a flower. These are this butterfly and this butterfly that come from that one, obviously, and that's mirror. And then the other one I've embossed and put on there. So that's that. So there's quite a few bits and pieces on there to decorate, and the lovely cute little box is really, really cute. I won't do that side. This one I've used, so I haven't actually used these matting and layering, but I've actually used this side. So it's a little bag, okay? And so what you do is you emboss this half if you want this one, and once you've finished embossing, you flip it over and emboss that half. So that's why you've got two different, obviously, two different styles. And you've got here all these lovely little buckles, and obviously on here, as you can see, I thought I'd ink this up and bring it up just to show you. This one was a little bit difficult to do, and if you've got time and patience, then yeah, it does turn out okay. So if you do pick these up from anywhere, then yeah, it's great. So this side, this is where my little, and I don't know whether you can see it here because obviously the light, I'm not too sure if you can actually see. Slowly do it. So there's a little clutch bag, which is this, and I've decided that I wanted to make a handle to go inside that, so I will finish that off at the end. So yeah, and then in here I've matted and layered, so you can mat and layer loads of different shapes. This is where my tags came from. I'll show you. Okay, this is where my little banner come from, and I've got rather a large banner somewhere around here as well. That's my large banner, if you can see. So a nice peel off in there. So obviously, and that we've used peel offs as well. So yeah, so that's that board. And the board that I want to use with you guys today to show you is this board here. It's a birdhouse, so it's a birdhouse, but you could actually use this as a popcorn box. So yeah, and then on this side it's a sandwich box, which I think looks quite fun as well. And they've got some nice lovely embellishments here, and that, and this kind of like moustache, and this. So again, matting and layering with all of these as well. Lovely, yeah. So if you have got this obviously at home, or you see it on eBay or wherever, yeah, I would say go ahead. I've had these for a really long time, and because obviously I've been playing with them for you guys, it's the first little thing, and I'm like, oh my goodness, how long have I had these boards and never actually played with them. So you can use a Crafter's Companion stick and spray, so not stick and stay but stick and spray, and spray it on for your card not to move. But I've got some washi tape and I'm going to put that on there, and obviously so that you can actually lift up your paper to see where you are. Now this needs 2 bits, and I've just realised. So again, I've got my, let's find the, here we go. So obviously this is not all 1 bit, because Crafter's Companion are very good at putting just what you need on, so you can get, so they can put the most on these boards. So hold on a minute, and I'll just pop this up here like so, and I'm just going to have a little look where I'm going. Let's go right to the edge, there we go, and then come down here, and this is your base. So when you do the other side, you don't actually, oopsie, that's it, you won't actually use 2 bases unless you there we go. So that's that. Then what I'm going to do is, I think I'm going to embellish it. So, and as you can see, the actual board has got it's like a coating. Let's see if I can get this. I think this is quite cute. Yeah, there's a coating on it, so that it helps it. Obviously helps you while you're embossing over it. So yeah, I want to do this stitching. I'm not going to finish all of this because obviously I don't want to run over. But what I will do is, with this little box, is obviously, as you all know, I love giveaways. So with my giveaway, I would love to, right, that's that. What else should we have? Should we just leave that plain? I think so. Yeah. So I take this off. And can you see? So if you did this with a different coloured card, then that would come out. Or if you did this with card that you popped in your printer and printed out some really pretty on some really pretty paper, that would be good as well. So I cut the outside line of the embossing. Quite a lot of people cut along the inside, and it's entirely up to you because they still obviously go together. I'm hoping that you can see this, and I'm going to just bring some ink in just so that you can actually see the pretty, so yeah, the pretty edging that I put on here. So if you have got any of these boards, get them out. Because I was thinking all the different embellishments and even the little bags, this would be, as journaling is so big at the moment, wouldn't that be great to use for your journaling? So obviously all the, and that would hold like that. And let's bring some ink in so you can see. So you could, if you wanted, cut now. Can you see that I've actually missed that bit? So let's see. I can pop this back in my board like that, because I've actually cut it out, and it's actually finished that off. So I'm thinking you could actually cut this so that it goes over. So you've got a fancy edge, and then bring it up. So this few weeks we're looking at scoreboards, and yeah, and what you can do with them. And it's lovely that some of you have got some or just brought some. If you are having difficulty actually with them, yeah, the old-fashioned, I'll say the old-fashioned way, one of them says put talcum powder on, and that will make them smell really, really nice. But I use wax, so a candle. You can use soap as well. So that is really, really cute. That's really cute. What do you think? So another one this side, so two, yeah, so you have to cut out two. Let's see if I've got some more card to quickly do the, yeah, to quickly do the two for you. Totally not organised yet again. So I haven't got enough with that. So again, look at my desk. My tape. Run it over. Tape it down. Make sure it's at the edge. Now this time we won't want this bit, but you could actually do this bit. So I'm actually timing myself so that I don't run over, or so that my video doesn't abrupt. Yeah, really, as I know that one of my videos for Polka Doodles, it did abrupt really. I didn't get a chance to say hi. So yeah, and because I'm not very techno like all you ladies, I'm sure there's loads of you ladies that are not techno out there. Now can you see? Right, that one goes up there. This is me doing it really. I think that was it, and then let's do this over. So, like I say, I love giving away, and my giveaway is going to be one of these already embossed, a clutch bag already embossed, a bag already embossed. I'll put some bits and pieces all together for you. So who would, yeah, who would love? Okay, let's see. Who would love something like this? I mean, you could even use these if, you know, for templates. I mean, that's another good thing, especially if you haven't got, you know, a die this for this type of thing, or a die for the bag, or a die for the clutch bag. I mean, I do know that if anybody of you out there got scoreboards, that yes, you can make clutch bags with them, which that's going to be in another back to basics, because it's all about, oh dear me, this is not going to be very even because I'm rushing this, but just so you get the drift, I should left this one. I mean, obviously you lovely ladies out there will have a lot more time than me. There we go. And let's pop this together. So, double-sided tape down here, along the score line, and because I'm not using it for anything, I'm not too bothered. So match those up. And yes, the Crafter's Companion have done all the hard work for you with these scoreboards. And I can remember when I bought these with a CD-ROM as well, so I don't know if any of you ladies out there did the same as me. And like us all, we buy all the new things that are in and then we forget about them all. And I just wanted to come by and show you. There we go. And let's just, I'm not going to stick that down. I'm just going to show you how it all goes together. So, you could, oh, I haven't done that very well. So, my popcorn box, my little handbag or a clutch bag. I've actually made this. It's all from these scoring boards by Crafter's Companion. I think you can still get them, I'm not too sure, but I know that people are always selling theirs off because there's always a new thing that comes in. So, but I was thinking, especially with these little clutch bags, how cute is that? That one and that one. And I've made, obviously, the blue one here. So yeah, I have 3. I think I've gotten 4. More than that, but yeah, that would look quite cute on there. So, thank you for stopping by. It's a really quick video, just to show you, obviously, the scoreboards. And yeah, thumbs up if you like this video. Please leave a comment below if you would like the giveaway. So I've already scored one out. They are going to be in white cards so that you can decorate, or so that you can pop them through your computer and yeah, and print out pretty pictures backgrounds with them. So yeah, thank you for supporting my Back to Basics. I love doing this. I love showing you the different things that I've got. See, I just can't stop, can I? Look at the tags. So yeah, I'm thinking that all these bits and elements, the elements and everything can go into scrapbooking, journaling. So yeah, if you've got these boards at home, get them out, start playing with them. Because look, that's so cute. We've got soon the children will be finishing, obviously, for the summer holidays, especially up here in Scotland, and that would be such a cute little gift for a teacher. With some chocolates or something in, and let your children pretty them up. So thank you for stopping by. And give me a thumbs up if you like the video, and if you want my giveaway, which there'll be loads of bits and pieces and obviously one of these in, leave a comment below. God bless, and thank you very much for supporting me. Bye for now.